Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a Skip the Dishes delivery account in Canada. First, open your web browser. In the search bar, type couriers.skipthedishes.com/application. Press enter to go to the page. Once the page loads, look for the apply button. It is usually easy to find on the screen. Click on it. After clicking, you will see an information page. Here, you need to enter your personal details. Start with your first name and last name. Next, type your email address. After that, enter your mobile phone number. Then, provide your starting address. You will also need to select your city or town. Use the search box to find it. Next, choose your preferred contact language. This will be the language for chat messages and emails from Skip the Dishes. Finally, create a password. Make sure it is secure and easy for you to remember. After filling in all the information, follow the on-screen instructions. The next step is to submit documents. You will need to upload your driver's license, your vehicle registration, and your insurance. After submitting documents, complete the required background check process. This is necessary for approval. Once the background check is complete, you will need to get equipped. You can purchase or provide your own industry-standard thermal bags for deliveries. Finally, after approval, download the Skip Courier app. Use the app to set your weekly availability and start accepting delivery orders. Thanks for watching.